This is a Ford meter box presentation. For the next few minutes, we will discuss the proper installation of Ford Corporation stops. First, we will look at a key type or a plug type Corporation stop. All Ford Corporation stops are designed to give you the ultimate in quality features. For best results, follow these installation instructions. First of all, handle the valve carefully. Protect threads and keep them clean. Do not drop or throw the valve. Foreign material or mishandling may damage sealing components of the valve. Always use a smooth-jawed adjustable wrench. Do not use a pipe wrench. Waterworks brass has very good corrosion properties but is a soft metal. A loosely fitting pipe wrench can distort the brass and cause a leak. The use of a pipe wrench will void the warranty. As you can see, it is very important to use a smooth-jawed wrench during installation. Corp stop inlet threads are designed to seal against the receiving thread. However, to assure a watertight seal, always use a suitable sealant or Teflon tape on the inlet threads. Read and follow installation instructions for the corp stops, appropriate outlet connection, whether it be pipe threads, flare, compression, or a special connection. Never use a tapping machine to complete the tightening of the corp stop in the water main, as this or any excess tightening could cause damaging distortion to the corp stop. When tightening the corp stop, place the smooth-jawed wrench only on the wrench flats provided on the valve body. Make sure the wrench fully and evenly engages the wrench flats. Always use 2 wrenches when connecting the service line, one to secure the corp stop and one to tighten the connection. To avoid distortion, which could cause leakage, always install the key plug with the T-head positioned on the side as shown. To alleviate stress from the service line connection, place a strain relief loop in the service line leading away from the corp stop. To further reduce stress at that connection, use a brass 1/8 or quarter bend at the corp stop before connection to the service line. All Ford key plug corp stops are factory tested and pressure rated for 100 psi per AWWA C800. Ford uses this valve design for 1-inch and smaller corp stops. Use the Ford Ball corp stop for sizes larger than 1 inch and for higher working pressures. Always pressure test for leaks before backfilling. While backfilling, support the corp stop by carefully compacting around the corp stop and service line to prevent ground shifts or any other type of ground movement, which could damage the valve and/or service line connection. AWWA C800 recommends that if key plug corp stops are used as part of mainline pressure testing, that the corp stops be in the open position, but plugged or capped at the outlet end. If that's not possible, the recommendation suggests leaving the corp stop open and testing to the next available closed valve. Finally, if your installation is in a cold climate, be sure the Corporation stop is installed and buried below the frost line. Avoid exposing the corp stop to any freezing, as that can permanently damage the valve and cause leaks. Properly installed, your key Corporation stop will provide years of carefree service. Now let's look at the Ford Ball Corp. The installation procedures for Ball Corporation stops are much like that of the Key Corp. Begin by inspecting the valve before installation. Be sure the threads are free of foreign material and damage. Always use an approved sealant or Teflon tape on inlet pipe threads. Use a smooth-jawed adjustable wrench and fully engage the wrench flats on the valve. Loose-fitting wrenches and pipe wrenches will distort the valve and cause leaks. Damage caused by improper tools will void the warranty. Keep in mind that you should never use the tapping machine to complete tightening of the ball corp in the water main. Place the wrench on the location provided on the body. On 1.5-inch and 2-inch corp stops, it is necessary to place the wrench on the outlet end piece's wrench flats. Always use 2 wrenches when connecting the service line, one to secure the Corporation stop and one to tighten the connection. A strain relief loop or a brass L should be placed in the service line to assist in relieving stress to the ball corp during backfilling procedures. As with the Key Corp, if your installation is in a cold climate, protect the valve from freezing. Freezing can permanently damage any valve and cause leaks. Finally, before backfilling, pressure test your connection. The Ford Ball Corp will withstand pressures to 300 psi. If properly installed, the Ford Ball Corp stop will provide years of carefree service. For more information about the Ford Meter Box line of corporation stops, contact your local Ford distributor or the Ford Meter Box Company.